If you're looking for a student discount on laptops and computers, look no further than this secret program that Amazon has. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. There's a landing page here where you get 5% off electronics, apparel, beauty, everything from laptops down to magnesium gummies. So if I sort by high to low, you're going to find all of this different computer equipment, monitors, laptops, you name it. There's even a featured partner, Apple. So you can sort by Apple and find MacBook Airs. There's MacBook Pros on here, whatever you want. And it's not this list price. You're going to get 5% off of that price. That some of them are already on a limited deal even. So what is this secret special program? It's actually Amazon Prime for young adults. It's a free 6-month trial of Amazon Prime, and you get 5% cash back on all these different items and electronics, including laptops. So you can join for free. There's a link in the description that takes you to this page, and you can actually join if you're a student or join if you're between 18 and 24 years old. And you can also switch to this membership if you already have an Amazon Prime subscription. So what is it exactly? Well, you get 6 months free of Amazon Prime, and then after that, Amazon Prime is 50% off until you're done being a student or until you're 25 years old. And you also get 5% cash back, which is something not available for any other Amazon Prime member. So this is a special discount for students. And you get Prime Video, and you get Grubhub Plus, free food deliveries. You get all the Prime membership benefits, including a half-off discount, a 6-month free trial, the longest free trial that Amazon offers, and 5% cash back. On this page, you just verify as a student, or you verify as being between 18 and 24 years old, and you can sign up for this. So this is Amazon's awesome student discount. You get discounts on more than just laptops, but if you're looking for laptops, if you're looking for computers, you can go to that page, or you can shop on Amazon once you're a young adult's Prime member, and then you can see what you get that 5% cash back on. And so, like I said, just sort this list by high to low, and you're going to start finding laptops and different computer equipment, etc. And this isn't even everything in here, because I know MacBook Pros are in here if I go over to the featured partner with Apple. So there's a ton of electronics, computers, and stuff, and almost everything on Amazon fits into that 5% cash back category. That's Amazon Prime for young adults. Check it out with the link in the description. Go get that 6-month free trial, and go get that student discount on laptops, computers, and more.